business studies classes. Today we discuss a new topic, that is small business. So small business comes under MSMED Act. MSMED stands for A for micro, S for small, M for medium, E for enterprise, and D for development. Thus, small business comes under Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise Development Act 2006. According to this act, small business can be defined in terms of size of business enterprises. Several parameters to measure the size of business unit, like number of person employed, capital invested, volume, value of output, power consumption, etc. But in India, small business is generally defined on the basis of investment in plant and machinery. Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise Development Act 2006 classified into two major categories. One is manufacturing enterprise and another is service enterprise. Manufacturing enterprise also subdivided into three categories, that is micro enterprise, small enterprise and medium enterprise. So the ceiling on investment in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 25 lakh is known as micro enterprise, and the ceiling on investment in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 5 crore is known as small enterprise, and the ceiling on investment in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 10 crore is known as medium enterprise. Unlike service enterprise, also categorized into three major categories, that is micro enterprise, small enterprise and medium enterprise. Here the classification is the ceiling on investment in equipment does not exceed rupees 10 lakh is known as micro enterprise. If the ceiling on investment equipment does not exceed rupees 2 crore is known as small enterprise, and the last is ceiling on investment in equipment does not exceed rupees 5 crore is known as medium enterprise. Some nature and features of small business. First feature is personal character. The small business is owned, managed and operated by owners themselves. Labor intensive. Small business helpful for generating income because of it is based on labor intensive technique. Next is low capital investment is required as compared to the large scale enterprise. Local area operation. Small business can operate in the local area. Quick decisions are taken by the owner at the right time, and short gestation period. Here the commencement of small business is required in less time, and also it get quick return. So we can say that the gestation period is less. So these are all about the feature and nature of a small business. This is about role of small business in India. First is contribute to industrialization and export. Small business contribute to 40% of total industrial production of our country and 45% of total export from India. Next is employment generation. It also helpful for the employment generation of our country. It is the second largest employer of human resources after agriculture. Next is large variety of product. It more focused on the large variety of product, that is related to the consumption items and sophisticated items. Consumption items like domestic utensils, soap, detergent, etc. and sophisticated items like equipment, agricultural tools, etc. The next is promote balanced regional development. It also helpful for the development of entrepreneurship. It is helpful for the growth of the entrepreneurship. It also small business industries also enjoy the low cost of the production. It also take the quick decisions at right time, and it is suitable for the customized production. So these are all the role of small business in our India. Now we discuss about some problems of small business. Small business face shortage of finance for running of the business, shortage of raw materials for production purpose, lack of managerial skill, incompetent labor, marketing problems, low quality product. Your small business sometimes does not match the standardized quality of product. Then outdated technology, it is incapable to use the modern and updated technology due to shortage of finance, and it also face some global competitions. So these are the concept of small business.